Hey y'all, make, bake, and decorate a cookie cake with me for the first time, and yes, recipe will be provided. I've had a lot of people tell me I want to start a treat making / baking business as well, but I don't know where to start. And today I'm gonna help y'all out with that question. I am still very new to this. I am not true to it yet, so we're figuring it out together. Number one, figure out what you want to even make or bake. Let's say you want to make a little bit of everything. You want to do the candy fruit, you want to do the cakes, you want to do the cookies, you want to do this, you want to do that. Okay, let's just pick one for right now while we're starting out. For example, let's use cookies. Find you a few recipes, test them out, see which one tastes the best to you. Now that you've perfected your little cookie recipe, this is the most important step. You need to figure out how much it costs you to make those cookies. Once you figure out how much it costs you to make a whole batch, then you can figure out how much you want to price each cookie at. At the beginning, a lot of people undercharge and they end up paying more than what they actually sell their product for. So then you're pretty much not even making no money for real. If y'all need help with determining how much you should price an item for, please let me know and I will gladly give y'all a tutorial. Next, head on over to social media. Once you figure out how much you want to price it for, post you a picture, post you a price, and say that they're available for sale. Do not be discouraged if no one wants to order at first. Honey, you have to post, and market. But that's pretty much what I did, and as I made more money, I was able to invest in a whole bunch more things for my business, like cute packaging and things like that, because that's another thing. At the beginning, a lot of the money that you may make, you're probably going to pour it right back into your business. But that is okay because you're starting out. Now, as you grow and you get better, your business is going to grow with you. And as you figure out more things that you want to make and start selling more things, you need to add a menu to your business. I have about like 7 different menus. What can I say? I like to make a lot of shit. Here's one for example. I use Canva to make all my menus. If y'all need help to figure that out too, baby, I am here. I am always here. I'll be more than happy to help. But before you do any of this, please look up cottage food laws for your state if you're going to be selling out of your home, to make sure that you're not breaking any laws. Whether you follow the laws or not, that's your business, not mine. But I have started a series where I'm breaking down the cottage food laws state by state to help you guys out. So far, we've done North Carolina and South Carolina. Next, we will be talking about Georgia. Hope y'all think the cake came out cute. Love y'all. Bye.